Steam engines running using compressed air and steam. A viewer recently asked me what the difference is between running a steam engine using compressed air and running a steam engine using steam. Here are a few examples on compressed air followed by running using steam. I can't really say that these are definitive tests because all of the steam engines are made to different standards and also none of them are running under load. Each of the engines on compressed air and steam sound and feel very different. Other than in this part, there isn't any narration required in this video. The sight and sounds of miniature steam engines running is more than sufficient. And that is it. You can generally hear the sound is very different between compressed air and steam. That concludes this short video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found it useful. Please take the time to visit my main Steam Models website and click on the section of the website that says Video Playlists. And by doing that, you can find other videos that you may like to watch. And by using the playlists, you can actually watch the videos back to back.